guys, I'm Nicolle. Welcome back to my channel. I've been getting a lot of questions recently about the type of bodhra that I use, so I thought I'll make a little video for you about that. I play a Christian Hedwitschak drum, and more specifically the Coreline UNIVERSAL, which is about 15 inches and it has 6 tuners. I think that this drum is actually, it's really good. I love this drum. It wasn't specifically made for me because it's the Coreline, but I love this drum. So the thing about this drum, I think, in my opinion, is like, obviously it depends on your style and how you're tuning it, but I think it has the potential of being very bassy, and I love that because of the way I play. That's a really good asset in a drum for me. Another thing that this one has, I think it's a very clean sound and it's very warm. You know, the tones are very warm. The skin is just normal goat skin, if I'm not mistaken, and it's very soft. So when you're trying to play, you don't have to press like extra hard, like as you do in one of the thicker skins. Like, it's very easy to play, and because it's very easy to play and it responds very quickly to what you're doing, then you can find the tones very easily and you can kind of play around. It's like, it makes the drum more musical, if that makes sense. Another reason why I really like this drum is that it's very durable. Like, this drum has been through a few things and mishaps and things like that, and it's been holding up really well. It's also very versatile. I've played it in different sessions, festivals. I play them in different concerts and different venues, mic'd and acoustic. I've also played it in recording studios, and I played it with different people, different genres, and different styles of playing. Sometimes I have to be really kind of like attack and very powerful, and sometimes I have to be very gentle and very kind of musical. And it served me really well so far. I mean, I haven't had any complaints. So it's a really good drum. It's a good drum to start because it's easy to play, especially if you don't know exactly what you're looking for, like sound wise. But then, as I say, like, this for me is amazing. I mean, I hope I get to work with Christian a little bit more and maybe try to find something bassier specifically made for me, but this drum it's absolutely wonderful. Like, about Christian, I've worked with him for about maybe 5 years now, and this is how long I've had the drum, and he's been really amazing to work with. One time I was going to the festival in Ennis, and I was waiting for my bus, and I had my drum on the its case, and I had the strap like just on this arm like that. I never do that. I usually carry it like across like that, but this time I just had it like this. I saw the bus coming. I was so excited. I picked up my luggage and the strap just like got off my arm, and it just went like this, boom, and it was like a horrible sound. I was in a bit of denial. I didn't want to open the case, didn't want to even look at it. I just got on the bus and I went to the festival in Ennis, and I was there in the gig. I opened up the bodhra, and what happened was that the head, the head of the drum and the body of the drum just separated completely, like just the whole thing. And I was devastated. I had to play, so I just kind of put it back together, and I put loads of tape on it, and I played like that for like 3 days for the festival, and it worked really well. And so it was like the best scenario, you know, in this like really bad situation that I was in, you know. But I texted Christian straight away, and immediately he just sent me back a message saying, hey, don't worry about it, send it to me, I'll get it fixed. And he's been like that throughout the 5 years. If I have any questions regarding the drum or the sound or anything, or if something like this happens, major or minor things, he's always very good to message me, you know. if he doesn't get something that I'm saying, like he's like, okay, send me a recording or send me a video, or you know, what can I do to help, or try this or try that. And if it doesn't work, he's like, oh, send it to me, I'll get it fixed, you know. So that for me is really important as a player, because I know that he kind of has my back if something were to happen to the drum. He's been always very kind to me that way. So what else can I tell you about the drum? So I have gotten comments from other players saying that this drum is exceptionally bassy. So I don't know, like as I said before, if it's just my style or the way I tune it, or if it's like this drum specifically, because you know, like even if it's the same core line, every drum is gonna be slightly different. None of them are gonna be exactly the same. They're all handmade, and you know, they have different woods, they all have different skins and things like that. But I don't know, it has been very bassy to me, and this drum has really helped shape and develop my style of playing, you know. So yeah, the Coreline UNIVERSAL 15 inches, 6 tuners from Christian Hedwitschak. And I will put a link down on the comments so that you can check out his website, maybe look at different custom drums that he has made, or more of the core lines, and you can kind of try to, if you have something in mind, if you have like a specific sound or look that you have in mind, maybe you can get in touch with him and see if that, you know, if that's something that you guys can work on together, you know. So yeah, and just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored. This is just my own opinion and my own experience with the Coreline drum and with Christian himself. So I know it's a kind of like a brief video, but I hope it kind of helps help answer some of your questions. And if you have any other questions for me, you can leave them down below, and I'll try to answer them for you. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.